We believe it's in the outbuilding and probably in the basement as well.
Of the dwelling house?
Yeah. You always love the dog. I think we got everybody.
Then maybe stand by the door over there and face me.
Officers with the Southeast District General Investigation Section conducted search warrants on 2 properties in Falkland along Highway 97 Tuesday morning, May 3rd. 5 individuals were taken into custody today as a result of the search warrants being effected. Officers conducted the search with the assistance of the Southeast District Air Services Unit, Police Dog Services Unit from North Okanagan, along with the Vernon North Okanagan Detachment members. Officers discovered multiple grow rooms and several outbuildings. At one of the properties, the officers also discovered a small helicopter. Approximately 20 officers attended both residences simultaneously along Highway 97 early Monday morning to effect the search warrants. At the scenes, 5 individuals were taken into custody. 3 adults were found at the one residence with 2 other individuals at the second residence. The investigation is ongoing and charges are pending with respect to possession for the purpose of trafficking. What is interesting here is we have 3 generations that are allegedly involved in tending and operating these grow operations, with the grandparents, their adult children, and their grandchildren who are also adults.
Yes. It spans 3 generations. We have grandparents, and we have parents, and then we have the children of those parents.